Good day, everyone. You're welcome to today's class. Today, we want to consider a topic titled Change Your Subject Formula. And let's see what's on the board. We're told that if S equals n over 2 into 2a plus open bracket n minus 1 close the bracket d, express D in terms of AN and S. What you are told in summary is that we should make D the subject of the formula. Okay? Now let's write the question. S equals N over 2, open bracket 2A plus open bracket N minus 1 D, close your brackets. What you need to do is to cross multiply. Don't forget that this S over 1. Now, let's write it cross multiply. Now, n into 2a plus n minus 1 close the bracket d multiply by 1, you multiply by this one, you cross and multiply equals to 2s. What we need to do now is to multiply out. When you multiply this expression n into 2a plus n minus 1d by 1, you still have the same expression. Go step by step. Don't rush. Still have that. Equals to 2s. At this junction now let's open the inner bracket. N into 2a plus n times d, that's nd, minus 1 times d, that's minus d, equals to 2s. Close the brackets, the outside bracket. Now let's now use this n to open the all brackets. Okay, now 2an, n times 2a, that's 2an plus n squared d, n times nd, that's n squared d, minus n times minus d, that's minus nd, equals to 2s. Since we want to make d the subject of the formula, let's leave it at the left hand side. Let's take 2an to the right hand side. Now I have n squared d minus nd equals 2s minus 2an. When 2n cross the equal sign, it turns to negative because it's positive at the left hand side, but immediately it crosses the equal sign, it turns to minus 2an. Now let's factorize d out. D now into n squared minus n, close the bracket, equals to, what's common between 2s and 2an, that's 2 into s minus an. Okay, from here, you want to make the subject of the formula, you divide both sides by n squared minus n. You now have d into n squared minus n divided by n squared minus n. We are doing that so that we can eliminate the expression close to d, equals to 2 into s minus an divided by n squared minus n. N squared minus n cancel n squared minus n. We are left with d equals to 2 into s minus an over n squared minus n. Now I have d to be equal to 2 into s minus an over what's common between n squared and n is n into n minus 1. Okay, when you factorize out, you put 1 here, you are left with 1n at this point, at this place. At the other side, when you factorize n out, it will be 1 that you put. Now let's multiply it back to see that you get n squared minus n times n squared. N times minus 1, that's minus n. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more updates. And also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.